In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk unsubscribe and delete Gmail emails. If your inbox is overflowing with newsletters, promotions, and notifications you never read, this walkthrough will help you clean things up quickly and stay organized going forward. First, open your web browser and sign into your Gmail account. Make sure you're using the desktop or laptop version of Gmail, because it gives you more powerful tools than the mobile app. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to look at the different tabs at the top, such as Primary, Social, and Promotions. Most of the clutter usually lives in the Promotions and Social tabs, so that's where we'll focus. Click on the Promotions tab. At the top left of your email list, you'll see a small checkbox. When you click this, Gmail will select all the emails currently visible on the page. Right after you click it, a message will appear just above your emails saying something like, "Select all conversations in Promotions." Go ahead and click that link so you're selecting every promotional email in that tab, not just the first page. Before deleting everything, you may want to quickly scan for any senders you actually care about. If you see a company or service you still want to hear from, you can deselect those individual emails by unchecking their boxes, or make a note to keep them subscribed. Now, with all those unwanted promotional emails selected, click the trash can icon that appears near the top of the page. Gmail will ask you to confirm that you want to move all those conversations to the trash. Confirm the action, and within a few seconds, your Promotions tab should look much cleaner. Remember that these emails sit in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted, so you have a little safety net if you remove something by mistake. Next, let's start unsubscribing from senders so you don't get flooded again. Open one of the promotional emails you don't want anymore. Near the top, next to the sender's address, you may see an unsubscribe link that Gmail provides. Click that, confirm you want to unsubscribe, and Gmail will stop future emails from that sender. Some emails also include an unsubscribe link at the very bottom of the message, which works as well. Repeat this for a few of the worst offenders that email you constantly. Over time, this will dramatically reduce the amount of new spammy or promotional messages coming in, so your next cleanup will be much easier. That's all you need to bulk delete and unsubscribe in Gmail. Follow these steps every few months, and your inbox will stay faster, lighter, and much easier to manage.